How to fix your almost there Netflix app problem. Let's get started. This error usually appears when Netflix is having trouble completing the signing in process or when there's problem with the internet connection. So, the very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network, give a fresh restart your router and rejoin it. Likewise, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, what you can do is restart the Netflix app. Launch it, then force quit the app. Just close the app, swipe up. Once you close the app again, relaunch it and try to log in. Next up, update the Netflix app. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, you'll see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, sign out and sign in back to your Netflix account. For that, launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on My Netflix option. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option of sign out and log out of your account. Once you log out, again provide your credentials and log in back. Next, you can check the Netflix server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, head over to this website, Down Detector. Once you're on this website, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, check if there is any outages. If there is any outages going on, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, you can contact Netflix customer support. For that, head back, type in Netflix Help Center and then search for it. Click on the very first one website option, help.netflix.com. Once you're on this page, you can have conversation with the Netflix support team, and with that your problem will be resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Netflix app error and resume your streaming. Whether it's checking your internet connection, updating the app or clearing the cache, one of these solutions should resolve the issue. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.